Okay, 6th grade, this is video 2. Let me pop up my screen. So you should have tried this column already. So I'm just going to do it rather quickly. I'm going to go to my original point, -2, 4. That means I'm at -2 on the x-axis, and then I'm going up to 4. So this red dot is going to be my original point. Now if I reflect over the x-axis, that means I'm going to have the point move from this side to the bottom. So from top to bottom because I'm reflecting over the x-axis. So right now I am 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the x-axis. I went up from the x-axis, so now I'm going to move down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would be here, and the coordinates of that point would be parentheses -2, -4. Okay, so starting back at my original point, I'm going to instead reflect over the y-axis. So I am 1, 2 away from the y-axis to the left. So now I'm going to start at my y-axis and move 2 to the right. 1, 2. So if I reflect over the y-axis, I would be here. And those coordinates that correspond to that point are 2, 4. Remember that the x coordinate comes first and then the y coordinate, so I'm at 2 and then 4. Alright, so now this one's where it gets tricky. There's 2 steps. So I'm starting at my original point, and I need to first reflect over the x-axis. So that's this point, right? Because I already did that one. And then reflect over the y-axis. So from here, reflect this direction. So I'm 2 away from the y-axis now. That means I need to be 2 over to the right. I'm also a distance of 2 from the y-axis on this side, so I'm the same distance away. The point is in the same spot, but it's been reflected over the y-axis. So that would be 2, -4. And now starting at my original point, I'm going to reflect over the y-axis and then the x-axis. So I'll reflect this way and then reflect over the x-axis, and I'll still end up at the point where I just was. Interesting. 2, -4. Okay. I hope that's making sense to you. So I'm going to go ahead and do 3, -2 with you. Let me erase this point. You can leave them on your book. I just want to erase them so it's easier for you to see. I don't use a different color. So 3, -2 would be 3 and then down 2 right here. Let me check my time. Okay, I'm doing great. So reflecting over the x-axis, here's the x-axis. So this point is going to go from down here to up here. The reflection, the other point, the image, the new point will be on this side. So I'm 2 away from the x-axis now. So instead of going down 2 from the x-axis, I need to go up 2. So I would be right here. And the coordinates, the ordered pair of that coordinate would be, of that point would be 3, 2. So 3, 2. Awesome. So here's my original point. Should probably label it. Okay, so that's going to be O, my original point. Reflected over the y-axis, so I have to move it from here to this direction because I'm reflecting over the y-axis now. So I'm actually 1, 2, 3 away from the y-axis to the right. So that means I'm going to start at my y-axis and move 1, 2, 3 to the left. And this would be my new point. Coordinates are -3, -2. should make that look like a 2. Okay, so -3, -2. Again, so this is my original point. I'm going to reflect over the x-axis and then the y. So if I reflect over the x-axis, I would be here. And then if I reflect over the y-axis, I'll be somewhere over here. So 1, 2, 3 away from the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3. I'll be right here. And I'm at -3, 2. -3 and 2. And I bet you I'm also going to be at -3, 2 down here too, because look at what I've noticed. I've noticed something, and see if you notice it too, because I know you guys probably did. You're so smart. Look at where I was here, and look at where I was here. Look at the coordinates. Look at where I was here, and then look at where I was here. Look at the coordinates. So I'm always going to end up in the same spot between these two. That's interesting. So if I start here, and the last one said reflect over the y-axis, boom, I'm here. And then reflect over the x-axis, bam, I'm here. It's exactly where I am, -3, 2. So, awesome. I think you guys got it now. I want you to finish this on your own. Let me check my time. Great. Finish this column. You should be able to do it by now. I think you guys got a good handle of how to do it. There's a really fun activity called an escape room. You are going to either do it individually, or if someone's done around the same time you are watching the videos, then I'm fine if you partner up. It's really cool. It's the first time we do it in our room, so don't, hopefully you have fun with it, but don't spoil it for someone else, okay? There are directions that will be given to you, so go ahead and grab the worksheet from the teacher in the room after you finish this whole column and work on it either solo or with your partner. If you finish the escape room, then you will be able to start your homework early in class. Again, I really truly do miss you guys. I've been really sick, but I'm really hoping to see you guys back on Tuesday. Take care, and I will see you soon, hopefully, okay? Bye, guys.